Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this bob. Unfortunately, how I styled this bob right now will not be in this video, but I will be showing you guys how I installed it, cut it, and dyed it. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Also, thank you so much Donmily Hair for sponsoring this video. I've had in this wig for about a week or so now, and the quality of this wig is amazing. I've been on vacation with this hair and everything, and I've got it wet, everything. The quality of this hair didn't change from me dyeing it, from me getting it wet, from me constantly putting heat in it. It's still the same quality. So yeah, that's all I got to say about this hair. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cat's baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. But yeah, let's just hop right into this video. Okay, so today I'm going to be dyeing this wig chocolate brown. So I'm going to be using some BW2 bleach and some 30 volume developer. This is what the unit looked like when I took it out of the package. The wig was already pre-plucked and the knots were very small, and I just love the quality of the lace. They sent me some earrings in this package as well as some lashes. And the lashes was super extra. They was cute or whatever. And then they sent a comb and also a wig cap. So I really love that. Thank you so much for sending all of that in the package. But to get started on dyeing this wig, I'm just going to start off by using some boiling hot water and putting that into my sink. And then I'm going to take some developer and just pour that in. I'm not really measuring anything. I'm just pouring it in just however. It doesn't even matter. Also, I'm going to be using about 2 scoops of bleach, and then I'm going to mix that up in the sink. Okay, so now that you have the water all mixed up, what you want to do is go ahead and drop that wig in and just make sure that it's completely soaked. This is so easy to do. This is why I always love doing chocolate brown hair, because it's so easy. All you have to do is put a little bit of developer and bleach on it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's going to be chocolate brown. Super easy, super fast. You just want to make sure that the wig is completely covered so that you don't have little blotchy spots. Okay, so y'all, this is what the color ended up looking like. It looks so pretty, and it was so quick and easy. I also did not end up plucking this unit at all, just because I was satisfied with how it was pre-plucked. All that I had to do was bleach the knots on this wig and also dye it, but that was optional, of course. And yeah, I'm just putting this wig on, and it looks amazing already. I knew that I wanted to cut this unit into a bob, so here I'm just positioning it where I want it to be, and then in a few seconds we're going to get to cutting this. Okay, so here I'm just grabbing the hair. I really don't have any type of technique or guide to cutting a bob. I just cut it the best way that I know how and try to make sure that it's all completely even. And then I just comb it, flat iron it, and just keep doing this over and over until I have the desired look. So you guys will just see me do that over and over here. To get help with the back portion of my hair just because I can't see back there, and I just wanted to make sure that it was completely straight, because I don't know if y'all remember, but the last bob that I did, it was not good in the back because I tried to do it myself. So I got help this time around and she did a great job. Okay, so on to installing this unit. I'm going to be using some Ghost Bond and just using a comb to put that all over my hairline. I did do the wig cap method. If you guys do not know how to do that, I will link a video in the top right corner so that you guys can watch how I do my wig cap method. Bless me. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just spreading out the glue and making sure that it's all flat on my head so that it's no clumps of glue and everything looks seamless. Okay, so now that the glue is clear and ready for me to put this unit on top of it, I'm just pulling it down and I'm going to use that comb that they sent me to push it into my skin. Try not to use your fingers as much as you can because our fingers have oils in them that can mess up your install process with the glue and all of that good stuff. So just try not to use your fingers. You see me using it here just because I don't know why. Okay, I just be doing what I want to do. But if you want to do it the right way, use a comb to push it in because that's better for your install and it'll make it last longer. Going to be taking some shears and going in and cutting my lace in no special fashion, just cutting it all off. So after seeing this hairline, I knew that I did not want to do extra baby hair. So I just took like a couple pieces from the sides and just combed them down and try not to be too extra with it because I wanted it to look very natural for vacation and I didn't want any swoops or swirls or nothing like that. So I'm going to take like a little bit of Got To Be glue in the black bottle and I just use that to like gel down those little pieces on the side, and that's all that I'm going to do. So we're almost done with this unit. The last thing that I have to do for this wig is go all around my head and flat iron it. So the flat iron that I'm going to be using is the Babyliss one. It's the Ferrari collection, and I'm going to be using it on 450 and just go all around my head, making sure that everything is flat and laid. Okay, so guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I will add some pictures at the end of this clip so that you guys can see how it looked. It looks so amazing. I received so many different compliments, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me install it. So that pretty much concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do not forget to thumbs up this video, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit, I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. Also, all the links on this hair will be listed in the description box if you are interested in purchasing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.